Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 1964 Porsche 356. This is a full restoration, full repaint, wrapped in XPEL Ultimate Plus. We did this install all custom, and I'll take a walk around here so you can just see the overall view. And there's one of its children sitting right there in the same color, guards red here, and guards red there. And here we are with our full wrap, ceramic coated. So let's take a look around. Well, when we did this car, we removed front bumper headlights, turn signals. This marker up here came off, so you'll see there's no edges around it. All these lights and everything are fully wrapped in. No marking on the fenders from pulling or stretching. There's a couple little rockets in it. You know, he drives it. He restored it and bought it to drive it. We took the bumper off, took these off, so all this is in one nice section. Everything went in nicely. There are some areas where we seamed when we did this rooftop. Rooftop went in beautifully. Everybody thinks this was the hardest part. Not necessarily. Everything's under these rubbers, so there's no lines at all, but here's our seam here. And then we got another seam over here, and that's our seaming. Our doors are obviously all in one. The fenders coming back here to our rear quarter, it was seamed up here. Everything wraps in again under these rubbers. Everything goes inside this engine bay. All these lights came out. This rear bumper came off, so everything is underneath. Everything looks fantastic. These grills all come out, and they can get in really tight around all those, but the overall job is super nice. There's a couple little marks on it and things from the restoration, but they're things that we only see, little marks in the clear. But other than that, the car looks super fantastic. Here's the other side of the roof pan. I mean, just everything went in beautifully. No stretch marks, no adhesive. Everything just looks super great. And then coming up here on our fuel port, everything went in beautifully. All wrapped in on the fender. This front trunk all wrapped in. Everything just looks great. So there it is. And on this side, much more the same. All wrapped in behind the light because we took the whole light out, took all this off, took all this off. Everything looks fantastic. So there it is, 1964 Porsche 356, fully wrapped, XPEL Ultimate Plus, 10-year written guarantee, lifetime installation guarantee by us on the labor. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following us. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com.